It's Christmas. Why are you crying this Christmas?
Because you're angry.
I'm not angry to you. You are the one who gets angry to me.
And
Are you not? I love you, Timothy. I love you, Timothy. I love you.
Now he's kicking me.
You go far away muna. Because he is
He's just acting. Look, he's smiling at the camera. Now since I said that, now he's crying.
Timothy ko, yan yun. Nakukuloy ang baby ko na yan. No, he's not a baby anymore. He's my big boy. I love you. I love you, Timothy. I love you, Timothy. Did you just woke up? Did you sleep well?
It's the camera.
Why?
Don't look at me.
You smile at the camera now. You don't cry anymore.
No.
Why? I'm just showing how you cry when you were 4 years old. And then when you grow up, you will see this. You are crying Christmas Day to Mama.
When he grows up into like 10, he's gonna have his own gaming set. I can learn from you. When I'm 15. When I'm 15, I'm gonna have. When I'm 15, you give me a credit card.
How old are you right now?
1. I will be 7.
You will be 7.
No, I will be 78.
When you become 78, Mama, where is Mama there? Nah. I'll be 100 years old.
No, I will be 100 years old later.
Late.
You will be 31.
71. So you become older than me then, nah. I love you. You're not crying anymore.
No.
You're not crying anymore. Okay, say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye na.
No.
Bye.
Bye. I can't see.
Timothy cannot see down. Sige na, go na ikaw. Go, ate. Kulit naman ni ate. Ate! Ay, kaya kayo lagi nag-aaway.
Every time he's covering like the phone, you always take his side.
Because we are the one that is, filming. He is crying. That's why I put the phone. No. Right now, he's not crying anymore. You make him annoyed kasi. Oh. Timothy, you make him annoyed. Look, oh. Say, excuse me. If you sneeze like that to other people, you say, excuse me, Mama.
Excuse me, Mama.
Excuse me, Timothy.
Mm.